Cyanosis refers to a bluish discoloration of the skin and mucous membranes. It occurs when there is an increased amount of deoxygenated hemoglobin in the blood. Clinically, cyanosis becomes visible when deoxygenated hemoglobin exceeds 5 grams per deciliter. Sites to examine. Cyanosis is best looked for in areas where the skin is thin and blood supply is rich. These include the lips, tongue, buccal mucosa, nose tip, earlobes, and fingertips. Among these, the tongue and buccal mucosa are the most reliable sites and should always be examined, especially in dark-skinned patients. Causes of cyanosis. The most common cause of cyanosis is an increase in deoxygenated hemoglobin. Cyanosis may also occur due to abnormal forms of hemoglobin, such as methemoglobinemia and sulfhemoglobinemia. Sometimes bluish discoloration occurs without hypoxia. This is known as pseudocyanosis and is caused by deposition of metals like silver or gold, or due to drugs such as amiodarone. Types of cyanosis. Clinically, cyanosis is classified into two main types: central cyanosis and peripheral cyanosis. Distinguishing between these two is very important during physical examination. Central cyanosis. Central cyanosis occurs due to reduced arterial oxygen saturation. It is seen in the lips, tongue, buccal mucosa, and nose tip. The extremities are usually warm because blood flow is adequate. Cyanosis does not disappear on warming the limbs. However, it improves when the patient is given 100% oxygen. The underlying mechanism is reduced oxygen content in arterial blood, leading to increased deoxygenated hemoglobin. Common causes include lung diseases, right-to-left cardiac shunts, severe pneumonia, and congenital heart diseases. Peripheral cyanosis. Peripheral cyanosis occurs due to reduced blood flow, while arterial oxygen saturation remains normal. It is mainly seen in the fingers, toes, nail beds, and earlobes. In this type, cyanosis is limited to the extremities. The extremities feel cold on touch. Cyanosis disappears on warming the affected parts. There is no significant improvement with oxygen therapy. The tongue and buccal mucosa remain pink. The mechanism involves slow circulation, which allows increased oxygen extraction by tissues. Common causes include peripheral vasoconstriction, exposure to cold, shock, and heart failure.